Hi students, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we'll be discussing about minerals and energy resources. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing about minerals and energy resources. So coming to the first part, which is minerals. So we'll be discussing what is mineral. A mineral is an aggregate of two or more substances or elements. It is something like a mixture of two or more elements, right? And a mineral has a definite chemical composition. A mineral generally occurs in earth's crust. So we have some layers of the earth in underground. In those layers in the earth's crust, these minerals are generally formed, and these are formed by inorganic processes like chemical processes or chemical changes. And minerals are non-renewable resources. That means they are exhaustible in nature. And they are not easy. It is not easy to replace them. And this takes a long time to develop geologically. It takes some millions and thousands of years. As they take a long time to develop geologically, so they should be conserved and not misused. So coming to the types of minerals, we have two types of minerals. First one is metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So coming to the metallic minerals, we have two types again, which is number one is ferrous and non-ferrous. So coming to ferrous, we have iron, we have manganese, and coming to non-ferrous, we have copper and bauxite. And coming to non-metallic, this non-metallic is also divided into two types, which is fuel and other non-metals. Fuel minerals, we can say coal, petroleum, natural gas. And other non-metals like mica, limestone, graphite, etc. And we'll be discussing about the differences between metallic and non-metallic minerals. So metallic minerals, they generally contain metals in their chemical formula, and non-metallic, they usually contain any non-metals, or they does not contain any metals in their chemical composition. So generally these metallic minerals are found in igneous rocks, and these non-metallic minerals are generally found in sedimentary rocks. And coming to metallic minerals, the best examples of these metallic minerals are, we have discussed, that gold, copper and iron. And non-metallic minerals, we have discussed graphite, limestone, mica and dolomite. And after this topic, we have iron ores. First we will be discussing about the iron ores in India. So actually there are four types of iron ores in India, which is, for number one is magnetite, and number two is hematite, number three is siderite, and number four is limonite. We'll be discussing about them. So before discussing about them, we'll be discussing some basics or the importance of these iron ores. So the iron ore is the backbone of the modern industries of India or the world, and they increases the economic growth, they increases the economic of the country. And iron exists in the form of iron ore and contains various percentages of iron. So this sentence states that all these four types of iron does not contain the same amount of iron percentage in it. They have some different percentages in it, right? And there are four types of iron ores which are found in India, and we have discussed these four of them. And we'll discuss about the first one, which is magnetite. So magnetite is here they given that it has the highest iron ore content. So it is the best quality of iron ore. and it contains 72% of pure iron, and that's why they given here it has a highest percentage of iron content, and it is reddish in color. It has magnetic properties, and since it has magnetic properties, it can be attracted to a magnet and can be magnetized to become a permanent magnet by itself. And it is used in industries to manufacture steel. It is also used in the producing of pigments. And this magnetite is mainly found in AP, Goa, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The best quality of iron ore, or the magnetite, which has 72% of pure iron, which is reddish in color, which is magnetic in properties, which is the best quality of iron ore, we can found in AP, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And the second one, hematite. This hematite is reddish brown to black in color, and it contains 60 to 70% of pure iron, and this is found in AP, Telangana, Jharkhand, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Maharashtra. And the third one of the iron ore is limonite. So coming to limonite, it is yellowish or brown in color, and it contains 40 to 60% of pure iron. It is somewhat inferior in quality. And used as a pigment in manufacturing of paints. And this limonite, it can be found in Raniganj in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Where in Himachal Pradesh means in Kangra Valley. And we'll be discussing about the siderite. So here they even gave the chemical composition of siderite, which is iron carbonate, FeCO3. Yeah, so coming to the color of the siderite, there are many colors. Yeah, they have pale yellow, brown, yellowish brown, and pale green, pale greenish gray, greenish brown, reddish brown and blackish brown. So the siderite is found in many of the colors in India, and it only contains 10 to 40% of pure iron. As it contains less percentage of pure iron, it is somewhat inferior in quality, and it has more impurities present in it. It is economically important for the steel production, and this siderite is mainly found in Gujarat, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. So actually siderite is the lowest grade of iron ore, or the inferiorest quality of iron ore in all those four types, and hence it is used in the iron ore and it is converted into pellets for export. And also it is used to make sponge iron for blending with high grade iron ore. And now we'll be discussing about the distribution of iron ore. Keonjhar, Sundargarh and Mayurbhanj in Odisha, Singhbhum, Palamua and Navmundi in Jharkhand, and Bastar and Darg in Chhattisgarh, Kemangundi, Babu Budan Hills in Karnataka. And now we'll be discussing where the four types of iron ore is present or it is used. So once again we'll be discussing what are the four types of iron ores. Magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. So these four types of iron ores where it is used is: number 1, construction, mechanical machinery, automotives, other transport, electrical equipment, some domestic appliances.